Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have a sixth sense for picking winning stocks? Today I'm diving into the mind of Dolly Khanna, one of India's most successful and mysterious investors. Her portfolio has turned heads and made headlines, but what's her secret sauce? Let's break it down. Dolly Khanna isn't a Wall Street insider. In fact, she started her investing journey in a modest way, alongside her husband Rajiv Khanna back in the 90s. They turned a small dairy business into a launching pad for a stock market journey that would inspire thousands. So, how does she pick her stocks? First, she looks for companies with strong fundamentals. That means solid management, healthy profits, and a product or service that people actually need, even in tough times. She digs deep into annual reports, hunts for rising demand in everyday products, and keeps an eye on how the company is growing quarter after quarter. It's about spotting potential before the rest of the crowd. But here's the twist. Dolly Khanna loves the underdogs. Instead of chasing hot stocks everyone's talking about, she hunts for hidden gems, small and mid-cap companies that haven't hit the spotlight yet. Take her early bet on companies like Rain Industries or Hawkins Cookers. She invested when barely anyone was watching. When these businesses took off, so did her portfolio. She's also famously patient. Dolly doesn't trade in and out with every market swing. If she believes in a company's story, she stays put, sometimes for years. That's tough in a world where everyone wants quick gains. But patience has paid off for her, again and again. Now let's talk about impact. When word gets out that Dolly Khanna has picked up shares in a company, the stock often surges. Analysts and retail investors scramble to decode her moves. But here's the thing. She's not following trends, she's making them. So, what can you learn from Dolly Khanna? Start small, do your homework, and don't be afraid to look when no one else is looking. The real trick isn't just finding good companies, it's having the patience to let your investments grow. Remember, investing isn't a race. Dolly Khanna's journey shows that with careful research, a bit of courage, and a whole lot of patience, even in the wild world of the stock market. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive useful, hit that subscribe button and let me know which investor I should cover next.